Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about Dollar Tree and their Christmas clearance items. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so I am back home, and man, what a crazy week it has been. I went out and did a little clearance shopping this morning. I also went all day yesterday and the day before, so I have a lot to share with you all, so you guys make sure that you stay tuned. I have a really good Walmart video coming up for you all, because I found a lot of things on clearance that I think people would probably overlook or not realize that things that are a part of the Christmas clearance discounts. So you guys make sure that you stay tuned for that. I'm going to try to get that one done and up this evening. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about Dollar Tree. I just wanted to make this video really quickly because I think a lot of people might overlook or not realize that Dollar Tree does also have their Christmas items on clearance right now for 50% off, as is most stores. Most stores are 50% off. I believe Hobby Lobby is currently at 75% off. But I did post some of those dates for you all over on the community tab if you guys want to go and check that out. But anyways, December 26th, the day after Christmas, at Dollar Tree, all of their Christmas items do go on clearance. So you definitely want to go and check it out. Now, my store, it is a small Dollar Tree. It doesn't even have the refrigerated section or anything like that. But I did notice, we've all heard about Dollar Tree going to $1.25, so it's like $1 plus tree now. I don't know what their new name's going to be, but anyways, I did see that they started carrying a lot of new items that I had not seen there before. So hopefully they're improving a little bit, and we can maybe in the future we'll do some Dollar Tree hauls or some Dollar Tree shop with me videos or something like that. But anyways, I just wanted to remind you guys to go in and check your Dollar Trees because a lot of these things are just 50 cents right now. And for me, I was looking for boxes, bags, gift tissue, and wrapping paper. Now, my store still had some wrapping paper, but I decided to go ahead and pass on that for now because they just had a ton left. But I did go ahead and grab some bags, super cute. Some of them have glitter on them, so I just left them in the shopping bag there. But just 50 cents. I mean, at this current time where everybody is at 50% off, Dollar Tree is the way to go if you want to pick up gift bags, gift tissue, wrapping paper, crafts for next year, things like that. Dollar Tree is the way to go. I think it's probably the cheapest that you're going to get until some of these other stores go down to 75% off, 90% off, things like that. Now, the gift tissue, I was pretty excited that I found because I can use this all year long. It's red, it's green, it's plain colors. This one has blue in it. It's plain blue. It's got glitter all over it, but plain blue and plain white. So I can use this gift tissue all year long. And for 50 cents each, again, you really just can't beat it. Now, my store did have some other patterns and different packages that y'all could pick up. As well as some home decor items and craft items. So I'm just going to pop up some pictures of the items that I still had at my Dollar Tree. Again, if you have several in your area, you'll probably do a little bit better than I did. Like I said, I live in a small town. It's a small Dollar Tree, and it is the only one around for miles. So it was pretty much picked over. But if you have several Dollar Trees, I would definitely go and check it out. Or if you have the larger stores where they've got the refrigerated section and all that good stuff. So, all right, guys, I'm going to pop up a few pictures, and I'll talk to y'all in a second. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a quick look at the pictures that I took at my Dollar Tree. Again, they had a lot of the little home decor items, some super cute items. Now, some of these were $3 and $5, but again, it will be 50% off. To be honest with you all, I'm not sure if Dollar Tree marks these down even further, if they drop at 75% off or 90% off. But if any of you guys know, please let me know down in the comment section below. But at my store, they had everything listed at 50% 50% off while supplies last. But as y'all can see, they had a few signs. They had the little DIY ornaments that y'all can make at home. Super fun for the kiddos. Bags, wrapping paper, ribbon, gift ribbon. And then they also still had the little solar stake lights. Also, to my surprise, they still had a lot of the small Christmas trees left as well. And I'm not sure how many crafters or DIYers I have that watch my channel, but if you know, you know. Am I right? And if you do not know, all you have to do is search on YouTube for Dollar Tree Crafts, Dollar Tree DIYs, Dollar Tree Hacks, because there are just so many things that y'all can make with these items. And like I said, all of the Christmas items right now are at 50% off. So definitely go and check that out if you haven't already. And please let me know down in the comment section if you are a crafter or a DIYer. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but like I said earlier, make sure that you stick around because I'm going to have my Walmart Christmas clearance haul coming up for you all next. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.